Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. My name is Penny. Welcome back. On today's Vlogmas, I am counting down to Christmas, and guys, we're on day 11. And on today's video, I am going through my Christmas bin, just looking through things because I am going to do some decluttering for some things from my old Christmas items. And there are some things I still didn't use, but I found my old wreath, and I love this wreath. I had about 3 years, and I'm telling you guys, it looked really rough before I put this on camera, but I decided to revamp my wreath. Time is pushing. And also, friends, while I'm vlogging, I decided to start doing some shout outs to some of my friends and those that are commenting on my channel and those that are so faithful. I want to shout out today the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. This is her channel. She's going shopping, but she does DIY. She does thrifting. Guys, go check out her channel today. Miss Anna, thank you so much that you're vlogging with me. And many of you are so patient with us because I know you guys are busy. So I really appreciate everyone. And I'm going to try to shout out these channels as much as I can. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And guys, if I haven't gotten to your channel yet, it's not that I haven't seen you, but I am coming to your channel. So back to this wreath, guys. So I just want to try to do a little upgrade with it because I do need something on my side door. And I'm telling you, this is still a nice wreath, and it's looking a whole lot better now that I've been playing with it. I apologize that I'm moving so much because my stand for my phone is really broke, and I can't fix it, and I lost the piece to it. So I have to try to explain to you guys what I'm doing the best way I can. So thank y'all so much for your patience. So here I am going to tie some red and black bows to give it a little color to this wreath. I love the acorns and everything. It is really nice. But if you try this method, just make sure when you cut your bow, you don't have to make it this big. I didn't really measure. I just kind of just cut a length and just measure from each other. Just make sure you have the same length of your ribbons. And all I did here, the method I did was just tying these on. So already just with this little bit is looking a whole lot better. And here's the ribbon. I show you how to cut it. And it's very important that you try to get the sizes the same. So just measure your ribbon as you cut them. Measure the size from your first ribbon. And before you tie your ribbon, make sure you cut your ends because it's not going to work once you tie it. And I've tried that. So just make sure before you tie the ribbon, if you try this method, make sure you cut your ends first. And so I did have some red berries left, and I wanted to add some red berries. At one point, I had 2 of the ornaments on, but I do remember Melissa telling me that sometimes you got to be careful how you put those ornament on because they could look like 2 boobs. So I kind of took that off because I didn't want to look like it had 2 boobs, Melissa. I added my little bell ornament and the little red robin bird. I just thought that was so cute. So this is it, guys, on the door. And I did use my bow maker to make a bow. And so I have to put things up and see how it looked to see if it, making sense on how this thing is coming out. So what y'all think of the revamped look of it? Because I'm telling you guys, I may have to put a picture beside it so you can really see it. It does look a whole lot better. Okay, friends, this is the second one I had to repair because of the bow tail coming off of it. And I know when I first did this last year, I did this bow last year, it looked a whole lot better. So I'm trying to remember exactly how I put this bow on. So friends, I hope you're having a blessed and prosperous day. And thank you so much for your comments. And I surely appreciate it because you know that really helps us to grow. You commenting and liking and watching our videos. And I truly appreciate you. And this is how I put the bow back on. Yeah, it was kind of lifted. I don't know if you can see it in the video. And I kind of fluff it up a little bit. So it does look a whole lot better. And this is for my inside because this is my inside wreath. And the other one is going on the outside. Friends, this one is the main one I really wanted to upgrade today. So tell me what y'all think. Did it come out better? I hope that you like it. So friends, I thank y'all so much for being a part of my Vlogmas. I appreciate you guys. And guys, don't forget to comment, like, and give me your opinion on what I could have done better. I truly appreciate it. Thank y'all and have a blessed and prosperous day. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye from Penny.
All the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.